impact drill. Set up, get into a good impact position. Right knee points to the ball, weights a little left, right heel's off the ground, hips have cleared a little bit. Set up here, go short back and all the way through. Do that 3 times. Impact, back, through. Same thing. Set up, impact, short back, through. Really sense that impact position. You can do that with a ball or without a ball, but do 3 impact drills and then hit one normally, really being able to sense that good impact position. That will get you striking it more solidly, improve your distance control and your accuracy.